welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make a very fun, very interesting thumbnail in Scratch. So basically, first things first, I am going to be making a thumbnail about an imaginary clicker game. So what I'm going to do is I have to make the thumbnail an attracting color. Now, I personally like mixed colors, so I think I'm gonna do this color with this color. And then, when I do that, I'm gonna do no outline. I'm going to draw a big square. Now that we drew a really nice square, I'm just gonna quickly put this in x0, y0. Now, it's time to make it interesting. So first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna upload a costume. I'm gonna upload this this mouse thing that I found on the internet a few days ago. Yeah, so I'm just gonna go to the mouse thing. I'm gonna copy it, go here, paste it. Then I'm gonna minimize it, twist it around. So that's the mouse for the clicker game. Now let's imagine that this is a clicker circle that we want to click. We're going to draw a big circle backwards. So it's a clicker game. And then we are going to write in a bold handwriting so that everyone can read it. We are going to write world's best clicker game. Part 1. And then we are going to change it to an attracting font, for in this case a pixel font. We're going to rotate it. Then we're going to add it like that. Now that we made the thumbnail, this part of it, we have to add a more interesting part to it because this thumbnail kind of looks plain right now, just the empty thumbnail. We have to add a character to the screen. So we're going to upload a costume. Now I've already picked my character. I want my character to be a boba tea. So now all I have to do is to look for the boba tea to try and see if I can find it. Okay, found it. Now I just have to open it. Now that we have our boba tea, again, we're going to do the same thing we did. Copy, paste. Now we make our boba tea a bit smaller. Yeah, and then we put it in a little corner. Yeah, so now that this is actually a bit more interesting, now that people would actually want to click on the world's best clicker game, we have to add the code. Now the code is really simple. It's actually just 3 chunks. When green flag clicked, actually, sorry, 4 codes, but in one chunk. Sorry. We have to set the ghost effect to 100. Then we have to show. Then we have to go to front layer. So now our thumbnail will work. Do you know how I know it will work? It will work because if we go to the project page, this is the thumbnail. If someone clicks on start the game, whatever code you have there running will start. But then if you click on end, the thumbnail will come back, which means at any point, if the player decides to go away or something, or if they still haven't clicked it, this thumbnail is going to be visible to them until they click on start and they try out the game that you're advertising for themselves. And that is how you make a really sick thumbnail in less than 3 minutes.